Hello, in the following video we're going to go over our lens control feature on our Sibell IP cameras with our Sibell NVRs. First, go ahead and log in at the local interface. And then you're going to left click with your mouse and then select the icon on the right hand side, image adjust. Once you get in there, you want to select lens control, and in this menu you have your zoom and your focus. Alright, just go ahead and lock it in there. Please visit our website at securitycameraking.com for more information. Thank you for watching.